How's everybody doing? Welcome to the channel. A very quick update from YouTube. Now you can set your default for your comment filter, and there's going to be bigger thumbnails. So there's a membership playlist now. Channels that got their own members, their own private members. So there's a new playlist option now. On your comments page, now you can see comments you haven't responded to. That's the default, right? When you go into your channel comments, you'll see what it says likely spam and all that. What comments you haven't responded to. Well, with the new option now, you got the option to pick whatever you want. It doesn't have to be just comments you haven't responded to. You could put whatever you want. You have like 5 or 6 choices now. It doesn't have to go by the default of comments you haven't responded to. So this will be available in the next couple of weeks. The second update is a membership playlist option. So every time you make a new member only video for your private member, once you get to 3 videos in, on your 3rd video, your members only playlist will automatically launch. And every time you do a members only video, it'll go in there. So your private members can see all the videos. The public they could see the playlist, but they can't see the videos. So if I go into your page and see your playlist, I can see this says members only, but I cannot go in there unless if I pay to see all your videos, all your member only videos. So the public could see it, but they could see the playlist, but they can't see the videos. This will be launching very, very soon in the next few weeks. The good thing about this playlist option for members only, some people may be curious and want to see those videos, so they'll join your channel and become a subscriber, plus pay for your channel membership. So that's a great way to get extra subscribers too. So the YouTube Kids application will be available in Thailand and Hong Kong in the next few weeks. More money for us, I guess. Fourth update, the third update is bigger thumbnails coming to Android and iPhone. It'll accompany larger tiles, a bigger thumbnail. It'll be available in Android, iPhone, desktop versions. So bigger thumbnails, so you can see bigger words and all that. That'll be coming in the next few weeks too. YouTube Shorts is like a TikTok version. YouTube Shorts is like the replacement of TikTok. TikTok right now is going through a lot of issues. So right now YouTube Shorts is replacing it. And so far, early results have shown that YouTube Shorts get a lot of subscribers. Like with YouTube Shorts, the algorithm will recognize that your video is short. Your analytics be affected. So you can still get watch time, watch hours. Even though it's short duration videos of 1 minute, YouTube recognizes it as a short, so you can still get the watch time accumulation. This is a real good way for smaller channels with like 100 subscribers, 200 subscribers to get a lot of watch time and probably a whole bunch of subscribers too. That's a fast way to get subscribers. Don't forget to take advantage of the YouTube Shorts, and it's real easy. What you do is you flip your phone this way, vertical, not landscape, but vertical. Do 59 seconds or less than a minute. Put in there hashtag shorts on your title. So YouTube, even though YouTube will know that it's a short, but you want to make sure it acknowledges it real fast. It recognizes your video really fast as a short channel, as a short video. So like that, you can get the watch time and the minutes and all that. This is a real good way to get watch time in minutes. I mean, doing 1 minute videos throughout the day. And don't forget, dedicate a new channel to short videos. And so like that, your other channel that you're doing longer videos, there's a lot of people might be expecting a 5-minute, 10-minute video. And if you mix in a smaller video on your big channel, it might turn off a lot of subscribers, and they might leave and unsubscribe or not watch you the next time. So it's better to have 2 different channels here. One for your regular long videos, and a channel for your like a TikTok, YouTube Shorts type of videos, the real short ones. So like that, you'll have like a different audience base and so forth. Now, you most likely could probably get monetized faster on YouTube Shorts channel because of the fact that more people might watch that on a continuous basis versus the other channel. They may not be succeeding. So you don't want to be mixing them up, but you do what you can on your channel if you could get away with it. I know all the top YouTubers like Mr. Beast, all of the top YouTubers got 2 different channels for that because it's 2 different formats. And with that said, guys, I YouTube love y'all. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and share. I am out. I'll see y'all next time on the next update.